Hello students, welcome again. Standard 5 subject looking around environment study. This is the continuation of the previous chapter 5, and the chapter name is seeds and seed. In the previous video, part 1, we completed till page number 45. So today we are going to start from your textbook page number 46. So open your textbook and concentrate here. Think an image. What would happen if plants could walk? Draw a picture. Student, you have to think and you have to draw like a picture. The plant is walking. Okay, so you have to image it, you have to think about it and draw a plant like plant is walking. Find out, do some plants grow without seed? So let's see the answer. So the answer is question number 21. Yes, some plants like potato, rose, banana, etc. grow without seed. These are some plants who grow without seeds. Plants which hunt. There are some plants which trap and eat frog, insect and even mice. So can you imagine, student, plants some hunt. Which plants eats frog, insect and even mice also? So the plant's name is the pitcher plant, Nepenthes. In one of such plant, it is found in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India. It has a pitcher-like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. When the insect land on the mouth of the plant, is great trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt. So you can see on this picture, this is the plant who hunt mice, frog, insect and all the other small animals. Okay, so you can see here's the mouse. When the this is the leaf of the mouth. So when the insect and the mice all come inside, they get the trapped and cannot get out. Okay, now see, so many seeds. How many types of seed can you collect? Where will you find them? Each of you should try to collect as many different types of seed as you can. After that, put all the seed collection together. Now observe these seeds carefully. Their shape, size, color, texture. Now come on, next page number. Make a seed chart to put up in the class. You can start with a table like this. So name of the seed like Rajma, color reddish brown, shape, and like this you have to draw, and texture smooth. So you have to collect different kind of seed and like write the names, color, shape, draw that you have to draw, and texture you have to fill it smooth, rough, hard, whatever. Like this you have to make a chart. Now there is some question. Think, do you keep any seed means soft and cumin means jeera in your list? So let's see which was the smallest seed and which was the biggest seed in your collection. Just do the collection first, make a list and then see the which is the smallest seed and which is the biggest seed in your collection. Make list of seed that are used as spice in your home. Let's see the answer. So question number 24, seed are that are used as spice in your home: cumin, mustard, jeera, etc. Next, seed of vegetables, ladies finger. Seed of fruits, mango, apple, papaya. Okay. Light seed, check by bowling them. So cumin means jeera. Any seeds soft. Seed which are flat, जो flat होते हैं. Answer is rajma, apple, cumin and any seed. Question number 29. This is also your textbook page number 47. Question answer. Make more groups. How many groups of seed did you make? Answer. Seed that are edible. Second, seed which are oil is extracted. Third, seed which can float on water. Fourth, seed which can float on air. सो फ्लोटिंग ऑन वाटर, वाटर में जो फ्लोट करते हैं, तैरते हैं, फ्लोट जो एयर में फ्लोट करते हैं, तैरते हैं, उड़ते हैं. एंड द सीड विच कैन स्टिक टू योर बॉडी. ऐसा कौन सा सीड है जो तुम्हारे बॉडी में स्टिक हो जाते हैं, चिपक जाते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द कलेक्शन. मेक अ group of these seeds. Now see the next question, question number 30. Do you know any games that you can play with seeds? Discuss with your friend. Answer. Some seeds have lots of tiny hook which can attract the clothes or fur. Such seeds are very popular among children. Similarly, a type of flute is made from mango seed. Okay, so this kind of game you can try. After the question answer, again come your textbook, page number 47, and see the last paragraph. Wandering seeds. Plants cannot move around. Once they grow, they remain in the same place, but their seeds are great travelers. They can reach far and wide. Look at the picture 1 on the next page and see the flying seeds. So you can see which seeds can fly. You can see on this picture also there are some flowers also. Write a letter, okay, bye bye. The seeds with those flowers, that seed is also flying. Okay, so these are seeds who are flying. Now see here on picture number 1, you can see these are some flowers with seed, and the picture number 2 also. Okay, so next see the question answer. Have you ever seen any seed that can fly? Question number 31. Have you ever seen any seed that can fly? Say yes. 32. What is called in your area? Answer. Budia ka bal. That on picture 1 of your textbook, that's a flower that's called Budia ka bal in my area. Look at your seed collection. Guess how many of these have traveled by flying. I think seed of cumin, any seed, and mustard may have been separating by flying. Okay, this kind of seeds separating by flying also. Look at the picture given on textbook, page number 49, and guess how the seed travel and reach different place. Answer. In the first figure, the seed is separating by a squirrel. In the second, by a bird, and in the third, by water. So by the squirrel, by birds, and by water also, the seeds can separating, they can fly. Your textbook. This happened in 1948. This is story student. So listen carefully. One day Georgi Mestral came back from a walk with his dog. He was amazed to find seeds sticking all over his clothes and on his dog's fur. He wondered that's made them stick. So he observed these seeds under a microscope. He saw that the seeds had many tiny hooks which got stuck to clothes or fur. This gave Mestral the idea of making Velcro. How can they make the Velcro? This is the idea of the Velcro, how they made it. He made a material with similar tiny hook that would stick. Velcro is used to stick together many things: clothes, shoes, bag, belts, and many more. What a way to take inspirations from nature. So this is the inspirations of from the nature. नेचर से हम लोग को कैसे इंस्पिरेशन मिला कि उससे एक फर था, एक सीड्स था जो उसके डॉग और जियोर्ज के मेस्ट्रल के कपड़े में हुक हो गया था, लग गया था। तो उनसे उसको पता चला कि किस तरह से हम लोग वेलक्रो कर सकते, वेलक्रो का किस तरह से हम लोग बना सकते वेलक्रो। तो एक मटेरियल ऐसा बनाया गया वेलक्रो की तरह जिसमें एक टाइनी छोटा छोटा हुक हो, और वो क्लोथ्स में, शूज़ में, बैग में, बेल्ट में और इस तरह के बहुत सारे मटेरियल में जो हुक हो जाए, जो चिपक जाए, जिसको हम लोग वेलक्रो के नाम से अब जानते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द इंस्पिरेशन बाय फ्रॉम नेचर। ये हम लोग को इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिला? नेचर से मिला। Look at the picture given below and guess how the seeds travel and reach different places. So you can see the first seeds traveling by squirrel, second the traveling by flying by birds, and the third flying by nature, the water. Okay. Now see some question answer. Your textbook question number page number 49. So the question number is 36 here. So concentrate here. Some plants spread their seeds over long distance, which the soya bean pods are ripened, they burst and the seeds are thrown out. How you ever heard their sound? Answer: yes, I have heard their sound. Next question of your textbook. Question number 37. Think what would happen if seed did not spread and remained at one place only. Answer: if the seed did not spread out, they would fall in the parent's bed itself, leading into. So जो सीड जो स्प्रेड नहीं होंगे दूसरी जगह में, तो क्या करेंगे, एक जगह में अपना जो ग्रोथ है, जहाँ प्लांट है, जो अपने पेरेंट्स है, वहीं उन्हीं के बेड में एक ही जगह में पड़े रहेंगे। सो वो स्प्रेड नहीं होंगे तो उसका प्लांट जो होता है और लीडिंग आउट नहीं होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा फैलेगा नहीं। Struggle from water, minerals, and sunlight. As a result, none of the plants would grow properly or survive. Now see the next question. Make a list of the different way by which seed are spread. Answer: seed are spreaded by first birds and animal, humans, wind, and the water. जो सीड जो होते हैं किस तरह से स्प्रेड होते हैं? 4 तरह से, बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स की थ्रो से, ह्यूमंस की थ्रो से। हम लोग कोई सीड्स, कोई फ्रूट्स खाते हैं, उसको थूक देते हैं कहीं पे, तो उससे दूसरा जगह में कहीं पे प्लांट ग्रो होते हैं, जिस तरह से विंड मतलब हवा की तरह से, पवन की सहायता से, एंड द लास्ट वन इज वाटर, वाटर्स के थ्रू से। कम योर टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 49 अगेन. Who came from where? Have you included human beings also in your list? Yes, we also carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly and unknowingly. We bring the seeds of plants that we find beauty or useful to grow them in our garden. Later, the seeds of these plants spread to other places. Many years later, peoples may not even remember that these plants did not grow here earlier. They were brought from somewhere else. Do you know from where chilies come to your country? क्या आपको पता है कि चिली कहाँ से आया हमारी कंट्री में? These were brought to India by trader coming from South America. Today we cannot think of food without chili. आज के ज़माने में हम लोग चिली के बिना अपना खाना नहीं सोच सकते हैं। बस ये कहाँ से ट्रेड हुआ है? साउथ अफ्रीका से। एक इंडियन था, कोई ट्रैवल कर रहा था, तो साउथ अफ्रीका से लाया गया है। Now see, here is a poem. Read this poem to know which plants came from where. Did you know? Did you know this? First one, you can see the picture of potato from South America. Long ago came a tomato, a potato, and a green chili. So this is a poem. Now next, do you know this? A cabbage came from Europe, and also a pea. From Africa came a coffee bee and a green bindi also. They cross the land, they cross the sea. Do you know this? A mango sang, come in, come in. An orange smiled inside its skin. Welcome to India, a banana say. The methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. Did you know this? So, this is a poem, and the writer name is Rajet Utsahi. So, these kind of seeds come from, these vegetables come from different country. Now, see the next. What all was grown in India long ago? Where mango and banana grown here? What come from other country? Image food without potato and tomato. Can you image your food without potato and tomato, student? No, we can't image our food because we all like potato and tomato more. What we have learned. तो हमने क्या लर्न किया? Rina has drawn this picture of the seeds sprouted by her. What do you think the seed needs for sprouting? Write in your own words. How would Rina's look if they did not get the things needed? Answer: seeds need water and air for sprouting. If the seed do not get water, there would be no change in them. And if they got water but not air, they would not sprout at all, though they would swell up. So जो उनको वाटर और एयर दोनों ही नहीं मिलेगा या दोनों में कुछ भी एक भी मिलेगा तो भी वो स्प्राउट नहीं होंगे. Next and the last question. How do seeds spread to far off place? Write your own words. सीड जो है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कैसे जाते हैं, कैसे पहुंचते हैं, अपने वर्ड्स में लिखो. आंसर: सीड आर स्प्रेड by birds, animals, air and water. Birds and animals throw out seed after eating the fruit. Thus the seeds spread out. Similarly, some light seeds are spread by wind. Some fruits are carried out by water. Thus seeds are spread out. So इस तरह से seed spread होते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. किस तरह? बर्ड्स के थ्रू और एनिमल्स के थ्रू वो लोग खा के कहीं पे बीज को फेंक देते हैं. जिस तरह से बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑल्सो हम लोग भी कुछ फ्रूट्स कुछ वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो सीड्स होते हैं कुछ में वो लोग खा के नट्स होते हैं खा के उसका सीड्स को हम लोग फेंक देते हैं तो उससे उनका प्लांट्स ग्रो होता है. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह सीड्स पहुंच जाते हैं एयर के थ्रू से. एयर में उड़ के सीड्स पहुंच जाते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. फ्रॉम वाटर थ्रू से भी सीड एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंच जाते हैं. So, my dear student, here our chapter is completed. Hope you all understood this chapter. Learn all the given question answer from your textbook. And bye bye. Take care.